mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 13 exponents and powers. Today's topic is laws of exponents. The question is multiplying powers with the same base. If the question is given, suppose 2 to the power 3 multiply 2 to the power 4. Suppose the question is there. Here the bases are equal. That is given. Multiply powers with the same base. Suppose the bases are same. Then what this powers will happen? Here between the bases multiplication is there. Means what should be happen? Then what will happen? These two, if bases are equal, between the bases multiplication is there, then the power should be added. What you will do? The power should be added. So write one base only, then you write the powers added. Do you understand? The base is equal. Then between the bases multiplication is there. Then what you will do? You will do write add the powers. So you write base is only 1 and then add the powers. Then how much will come? 3 plus 2, 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 2 to the power 7. Its meaning is 2 to 2, you have to multiply 7 times. This is the formula of the multiplying powers with the same base. Suppose a cube into a square. Here numbers are not there, here variable is there, same, it is bases are equal, in variable same variable is there, here is there, here also is there, between the multiplication is there, so that's what happened, the power should be added. So powers how it will add? A to the power 3 plus 2, its meaning is a to the power 5. Do you understand? Multiplying powers with the same base. This is the formula of a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power n plus n. This is the formula of multiplying powers with the same base. Do you understand now? Now next is there divide the power with the same base. Suppose same base given, between the base divider is given, then what will happen? Divide the powers with the same base. Suppose given, suppose 5 to the power 4 divided 5 to the power 2. Here base are 5, same base is there, same base, then between that divided is there, then powers what will happen? Power should be subtracted. Then you write base, then powers you write. Do you understand? Divide powers with the same base means same base when it is there, between the bases divided is there means the power should be subtracted. So you have to subtract. Then 5 to the power 4 minus 2 is equal to how much? 2. Then what is the meaning of this? 5 into 5. That is 25. Right, this way we have to do. Then suppose a to the power 6 divided a to the power 3 is there. Then how will come? A to the power 6 minus 3 equal to a to the power cube. What is the meaning of this? A into A. 3 times. Do you understand now? This is the divide powers with the same base. What is the formula? A to the power n divided a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. This is the formula of the exponents. Do you understand? Between same bases are there, between the bases divided with this means what you will do? The power should be subtracted. Do you understand? Next. Now we will study taking power of a power. Suppose example 2 to the power 3 is there, again power is there 2. It is 2 times power is given. Taking power of a power. Then what you will do? What is the meaning of this? 2 to the power 3 is 2 times. 2 cube 2 times it will get. So how you will do? You have to multiply the powers. When power to the power of a power given means what you will do? You have to multiply the powers. Then how much will come? 2 to the power 3 to the 6. 2 to the power 6. Its meaning is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. Then how much will come? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. This is the answer. Do you understand? Power of a power given means what you will do? You have to multiply the powers. Suppose the question is a to the power 2 to the power 3. Then what you will go? A to the power 2 into 3 means a to the power 6. Do you understand? Now what is the formula? A to the power m to the power n means a to the power m into n. This is the formula. Do you understand? Three formulas I discussed now. A to the power e, if bases are equal between the bases into each other means the powers are added. Then bases are equal in between the bases divided each other means the power should be subtracted. If the power of power is given means you have to multiply the powers. These three formulas are there. Next another formula is there, that is here another exponent formula, that is multiplying powers with the same exponents. Here exponents are equal, then bases are different. If there, then what you will do? You have to multiply the bases. Suppose 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power cube. Here exponents are same. This is the with the same exponent and bases are different. At that time what you will do? The bases you have to multiply, then we write only one exponent. Do you understand? See, once again I am teaching 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. Then it is 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. Then your multiply means 2 into 2 and this is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 and 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. 3 times and 6, 6, 6, 6 3 times again. 6 how it will come? You have to multiply these two. Do you understand? So what is the easy way? That is the bases are not equal, then exponents are equal given means what you will do? The bases you have to multiply and write the exponent in 1. So 2 3 is 6, 6 cube. Do you understand now? So like that way. A square into b square. Then what you will write? A into b to the power 2. Then it is called ab to the power 2. Okay? Like this way you have to find. That is the meaning. What is the formula? A to the power 2 into b to the power 2 means it will come ab to the power 2. This is the formula. Then you have tried. Next, divide powers with the same exponents. Here what is in previous number what you have studied? Multiply powers with the same exponents. What you will do? A to the power m, b to the power m means it is ab to the power m. Now the powers are the divide powers with the same exponent. Exponents are same and the base is different. So suppose 2 to the power 4 divided 3 to the power 4. It is given how you will do? It is, see, bases are separate but the exponent powers are equal. That time what you will do? 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. Like this way you have to write. Do you understand? Multiply means you have to multiply these two and write the one exponent. Here divided here, that is you have to divide the number and write one exponent. Suppose what is the formula? A to the power m divided b to the power m means this is the formula. A to the power m divided b to the power m means a by b whole to the power m. So what you write? A by b to the power m. Do you understand? Another question, suppose a to the power 4 and divided b to the power 4 is given means what you will write? A by b to the power 4. This is the divide powers with the same exponents. We will study number with exponent 0. Same number, suppose 3 to the power 5 divided 3 to the power 5. Then how will you do? You know that if bases are equal, between the bases divided if that means the power should be subtracted. So what will come? 5 minus 5. Okay, then 5 minus 5 means what? 5 minus 5 is equal 0. Then 1 plus 1 positive, 1 minus negative means the number will cancel, so it will come 0. Then 3 to the power 0 means it is 1. See, another way, 3 to the power 5 means 3 5 times you have to multiply. Okay, then divided means you have to write divided. Again 3 multiply 5 times. Then it will cancel 3 3 3 3 3 1 are 3 3 1 are 3. Like that. How much came? 1 came. So it is the exponential form. What is the number with exponent 0? One number, same power, same exponent is that, base also same, that you will divide it, then the answer will come 1. So you write the formula a to the power 0 equal to 1. Any number, the power is exponent is 0 is there, that is equal to 1. Do you understand now? So these are all formulas you remember, and according to that do your exercise. Okay? Thank you. This much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Thank you.